Mangmi has officially launched the Mangmi Air X, its latest Android handheld gaming device. The company positioned it as a redefinition of entry-level Android handheld, highlighting its minimalistic design, responsive control, and gaming-focused user interface. It has a 5.5 Full HD plus IPS display with a resolution of 1920 to 1080p pixel with 16:9 aspect ratio. The panel supports up to 450 nits of peak brightness, covers 110% of sRGB color gamut, allowing for vivid color reproduction and good visibility. It's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset. The SoC includes octa-core CPU with 4 Cortex A73 cores clocked at 2.1 GHz and 4 Cortex A53 cores clocked at 2 GHz. It integrates Adreno 610 GPU and handles 2D and 3D gaming graphics and supports emulator apps and cloud gaming platform. The device comes with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of eMMC internal storage, which can be expanded with the TF cards. It runs Android 14 with a custom interface called MSpace. This software includes tools tailored for gaming such as performance mode selection, battery remapping, and support for dynamic lighting effects. For controls, you get RGB Hall effects, joysticks, and linear Hall triggers designed to deliver fast, rebound, and precise input. It features 6-axis gyroscope enabling motion control and supported games. It has a soft touch body with contoured grip. They focus on keeping the design compact while ensuring the handheld remain easy to hold. It weighs 286 grams. It comes with Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5, USB Type-C port for charging and data, and has a 3.5 headphone jack. It has 5000 mAh battery that supports 15-watt fast charging. Users can expect up to 8 hours of playtime on full charge. They have not announced the pricing. It's available only in the Chinese market with a broader release depending on regional demand.